Reloading. Here we go. And they're off. Zurich ranks well. Big Wig with that big white blaze. Southern Style taken under keen early restraint. Zigawatt right there with those rails. Golden Slammer now joins the front ranks too. So they have one circuit to go. Here's Zurich, just the leader from Mission's Dream, and Golden Slammer in close attendance. What do you mean right there fourth? Big Wig is fifth. At the rail, Southern Style is next, followed by Wild Sunday for Rents. Master Ewing Malloy wide as they round that first turn. Zigawatt up the fence then from Grappelli, and Sultry Approval trails the field. It's only 8 to 9 lengths from leader to last. The opening quarter, 25 seconds flat. Here's Mission's Dream out to dictate these terms to Zurich and Golden Slammer. Southern Style close fourth at the rail. On the outside, What Do You Mean is close up. Big Wig, Wild Sunday, Master Ewing Malloy, Zigawatt, Ferenc, Grappelli, and Sultry Approval still last of all. It heads to the half-mile pole, and What Do You Mean now coming up to forge in front through a half-mile in 50 and 4/5 seconds, going past the half-mile pole. What Do You Mean is wide, but just in front of Mission's Dream. Big Wig at the rail, Southern Style. Golden Slammer close in fifth. Zurich is sixth. Wild Sunday and a lot of traffic seventh, but only 5 lengths off the pace set by What Do You Mean. Master Ewing Malloy wide both turns. Then comes Ferenc Blue Blinkers. Grappelli is covered up. Sultry Approval is very wide, and Zigawatt has dropped back to last as they straighten for this long run in. 3/4, 1:15 and 2. What Do You Mean in front in the final furlong and a half. Big Wig's under pressure. Southern Style under pressure. Wild Sunday now moves up between horses. Golden Slammer drifts about. Zurich and Grappelli on the outside with late interest. Past the 16th hole. Here's What Do You Mean for Miguel Mena. Golden Slammer, Wild Sunday, and Grappelli. What Do You Mean? What Do You Mean has won it. What Do You Mean from Golden Slammer. Grappelli touched Wild Sunday out for third. Then Sultry Approval and Ferenc followed.